today's video, I am going to share with you guys one of the things that I have really been focusing on during this whole quarantine and craziness, and it's hair care. This video is sponsored by Nexxus. So during this whole quarantine time, I knew that it was going to be a while since I was going to visit any salon. As you can tell, my hair is all grown out. I have an appointment later on this month, but my colorist is all booked out, so it was just super important for me to really take control of the way that I have been treating my hair. And so I've been using the Clean and Pure line from Nexxus. This is the shampoo right here, and then this is the conditioner. There's also a little scalp scrub right here that is a really nice added bonus. I have another scalp scrub from them that I have been using, which I actually never used to use a scalp scrub before, but Nexxus is a line that I am very familiar with. My mom has used it, and it's kind of one of those brands that is just known to give you really good hair, and I think this Clean and Pure line in particular is one of their most popular, most successful lines. So I've been super excited to try it out. So this line is a detoxifying line. So it really is just gonna help clean your hair. I mean, with everything going on, we talk about basically cleaning everything. And so this is just gonna help you add to your cleanliness. So to start off, I'm actually going to talk about this scalp scrub right here. This is just like an added bonus for me, and it's something that you don't have to use all the time. You just use it once or twice a week at the most. So this scalp scrub will definitely make you feel like you're getting your hair washed at a salon, but in your very own home. And this is what it looks like, the texture inside. So it's like really large granules so that you can just really get into your scalp and get a really nice deep clean. And the way that I use it is you use this actually before you shampoo and condition your hair. That way, when you shampoo your hair, you're washing basically all the product off. So use it before shampoo and conditioner. You just take like a dollop, and I just like to work my way from the front of my hair back. And then I like to go under from back here and go all the way up. That way I'm just getting all parts of my scalp, and it just makes my scalp feel amazing. All right, then next I want to talk about the shampoo and conditioner, since that goes after the scalp scrub. The way I can tell if a shampoo is good or not is if it creates a really nice lather on my hair really easily without me having to kind of fight my hair or tug it. Sometimes I feel like shampoos will go dry really quickly, especially since I have colored hair. But this one definitely does not do that, which I love. It was just so easy. Like, it just glided on my hair really nicely. It made washing my hair really manageable. And the great thing about this is that it's super lightweight, so it's not gonna weigh your hair down. It really removes all the impurities, all the buildup from your hair. If you're the kind of person that uses a lot of product or dry shampoo, it's really just going to remove all of that buildup, but not strip your hair. And at the same time, it's going to nourish and really give you healthy, shiny hair. And also, it doesn't have any sulfates, dyes, or parabens, which is great, which is especially great, I feel like, for me, since I have colored hair. So I just really like to work this shampoo all over my scalp, all over my hair, and do a nice scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub again, just like they do in the salon. And then after I rinse it off, I obviously go for the conditioner. So again, this conditioner is still really lightweight, just like the shampoo, but with conditioners, I still do like to focus midway of my hair to the ends. The ends are really where I feel like my hair gets most dry, and so I just like to focus on the lower parts of my hair. But this one is just super creamy. It's not a thin consistency, so it's really gonna work well if you have a lot of hair, or if you have like coarse and thick hair like mine. All of these products are for all hair types, and afterwards I just feel like my fingers just glide through my hair and makes it super, super soft. And then after all of it, my hair just feels super clean and purified and healthy. So overall for me, I feel like the main takeaway with using the Clean and Pure line by Nexxus is that I already have an irritable scalp. It does get flaky, and so something detoxifying like this just really cleans my scalp well so that I don't have to deal with that. I usually will wash my hair every other day, but I'm honestly seeing that now I'm able to stretch that out a little bit further, being that my scalp is cleaner and feels cleaner. And it's easy to find. You can find it at any places that you typically shop at, any major retailers, drugstores, and also definitely check out the description box below because I will have links for you guys to shop if you want to try it out for yourself. And again, if you just want to kind of add some self-care to your routine, if you're looking for a really good shampoo, conditioner, even scalp scrub to add to your routine, then I highly recommend this one. And also if you just want to bring a salon to your home. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed learning about a new product. Let me know if you've already tried this product in the comments below. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.